I have begun a quest. And the quest is to learn how to use this coil machine. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. So I found this at Goodwill. It was priced for $9.99, and when I got up to the checkout counter, the chick like accidentally rang it up for $5.99, which is crazy because I looked this exact model up and it's on Amazon for like 150 some. So I'd say I got myself a pretty good deal. And I've been really wanting to get into coil binding, and now I can. And I haven't turned it on yet, so I was gonna buy coils, but should probably wait to make sure that it like turns on and works and stuff. All right, so you've got the TrueBind coil binding machine TBS12, and I didn't realize that it came with a crimper. All right, I need some scissors. All right, so this crank is for like punching the holes. Looks like it's pretty simple. It just, right? Okay, but whoa, is there supposed to be like a, oh man, it's missing like a bolt. So I've made spiral bound notebooks in the past, but I was doing it through a printing company like that I work for. I had a bunch of leftover spirals and paper. So that's what we're gonna mess with and figure out how to work this. Oh, I didn't realize that there was even these in here. Oh man, this just got so much better. So these are all the ends of the spirals that I had chopped off and I didn't want them to go to waste. So I'm thinking they're too short to do on the long side like the original long side. However, I could spiral them at the top and make like little Blue's Clues notepads. Wow, there's a ton of this paper in here. Okay, let's just try one. Okay, the only thing that's gonna bug me is that when the spiral's at the top, there's gonna be this margin over here. And I originally thought about doing this like sometime last year. I figured I would just have like get these cut off, but it might bug me. I could always cut them off later. Okay, I think I'm gonna do 65 sheets because I think that's what fits in this size spiral. Maybe I'll just go with 60 to make it easy. Okay, and I know by reading the operation manual, actually it's written right on here, I can only use 12 sheets at a time. I can tell it's definitely like a beginner coiler or whatever you want to call this thing. That's all right, because I am a beginner. First, I gotta, well, let's turn it on. All right, are we ready? Okay, we're gonna turn it on now. Oh, wait, oh, crap. Hold on. You feed the coil in the like notebook a little bit, and then you push this, and then you put it up against it, and it'll just like, right up the thing. Okay, so we don't need to turn that on. We need to test this part. Let's see. We'll try this on for size. Fold it in half. Okay, here we go. Perfect. Nice. Okay, so that works. Yay, it works! How this all came to be, I love notebooks. Like I have 5 going on at once for various things, like a brain dump, a to-do list / grocery list / journal. And then I have like my planner that obviously is like a calendar. Then I have like a WTF ideas book, and then a WTF like progress, walking through flowers, progress notebook. Okay, it doesn't, 12. Shit, it's stuck. Okay, so this is 12 sheets of 20-pound paper. And it's stuck. Wait, oh, I didn't put the lever up all the way. Okay, now let's see. Okay, that's gonna be, damn, I just wasted all those. What the heck, why did I do that? Okay, definitely just wasted those 12 sheets. That was dumb. I don't know why I didn't test it first. Well, I did test it, but I didn't know how many holes. Anyway, so now I'm gonna try the other side. No, that doesn't work either. I need to have that much margin. Okay, I'll just move it over a little bit. See, and it's punching a little bit. Dude, I do not have the right type of brain to figure this out. Okay, so if I move it over a little bit more. Oh wait, that is where it is. Oh, okay. Oh, well just line it up for God. Oh my God. Look, they're even. I figured it out. The only problem is this comes right off. Like it's missing a, what, a screw or something? But it worked. Oh, there it goes.
But that's what I was concerned with.
What? Oh, no!
It'd be easier to do it by hand.
Well, that might be why we were doing it at work that way. Oh my God.
Yeah.
That's horrendous. If it were a larger document and I can hold it and it's not so flimsy.
Yeah.
Okay, we've discovered that the coily part that's supposed to help it just like go through. I think maybe because this was just my little tester sheet, I think it's too thin and flimsy maybe. Or I don't know, maybe I just don't know how to work it. It's faster to do by hand anyway, so it's fine. But I want to get a test one done entirely. I don't think any of this chipboard. No, I'm gonna have to get some cereal boxes, which means I can't really finish one tonight. I could. Okay, let me get these punched, because at least we know that's perfected. When I found this, I realized this is opening up so much more opportunity, because like I said, I wanted to use like cereal boxes for the covers, because it's just like chipboard on the other side. You just glue the two sides together, or you double-sided tape them. And you can't even tell that it's a cereal box. It's amazing. Now I'm just like so excited that I actually get to have my hands in making them, because I don't know, I like the repetitive manual way of making these. Thank you. So it's very exciting. Very exciting. I'm very excited because I initially was like, because I have 3 designs that are like 4 designs totally locked in. I was like, I will start with the 4 designs, see how those go. And then I'll like release more. But now I can send like the bulk insides, because the insides for every notebook is going to be the same. They're going to look just like this. They have my little flower icons on either side. So I can get those printed in bulk and then have them print the covers, you know, however many up. And then, but I could get a sheet of like 8 up of a ton of different designs. Ooh, that one did not come out as good. Tits. Oh, these are going to be wonky until I get this figured out. And I had all of these obviously leftover sheets. What had happened was I was obsessed with the little spirals as opposed to the fat ones. They just looked better having the cutesy little tiny ones. And I initially wanted 100 sheets per notebook, and it ended up being like I could only fit, like I said, 60 or 65. So this is how many leftover sheets of paper I had. Now, to make a bunch of these is gonna take a bunch of time. That is for sure. So you can see like where my chunks of 12 are. So it's not super clean. I do want to put a cover on this before I actually like crimp the ends, but look at how easy it is to just do by hand. It goes really fast. Well, with some adjusting. Oh my God. Oh! I'll just do it by hand. Okay, hello. It's the next day and we're using a different camera. Please enjoy this Black Desert Storm online. My man's character is doing some sort of fishing activity, and he scared the piss out of me a couple times because I did not realize he was back there. I mean, I knew he was back there, but I didn't realize he was going to be making sound. Yesterday, I figured out how to use the machine. So last night, I took all the paper and separated them all out, and it was so enjoyable. Come to find out, I didn't have as many sheets as I thought I did. At least to make new notebooks with, because this entire chunk... First of all, I don't know how I ended up with so many extras. The last notebooks that I crafted, so the print company that I had print these, I worked for them, and at the time I was working in the shop, So I was able to bind them myself. So I don't know if maybe I screwed up and I had more printed. I don't know. Anyway, I ended up having a ton of extras, which I'll get the sides that are punched cut off and then use those for something else. But I was able to get 9 different sets. So I've got them all separated. So I'm going to punch them all. Oh my gosh. How did I forget to tell you about this? Okay, so the other half of the quest was today making the covers, which look, I did. Look at them. They're so great. You can't even tell. Just looks like chipboard. On the other side of this is like the Quaker Kernel man. I got to thinking last night, I was really irritated by this margin right here. But I got to thinking, because I'm going to use this notebook, it'll be nice for like bullet points. So you can put your little bullets here on this side. So that just justified it, and now I love it. So one of these cut kind of crooked, which is, okay, that one. So I'll put that one in the back, the nice one in the front, and then we just coil. Kind of see how all the holes don't line up perfectly, so getting this started is going to be a little annoying. Oh, it went right in. Huh. It is so much easier to just hand spiral than using this thing. I can't figure that out. I'm going to have to watch a tutorial or something. Or maybe this is just too small of a spiral. That could be too. Look at it. Okay, so then it's got little nubbins so that the spiral doesn't come off. Obviously, you have to crimp it. So you have to make sure the red dot is up. Sticker in there. Okay, that just cut it off and didn't crimp it. Shoot. Okay, what did I do wrong? I had it up, right? It just did it again. Wait. It literally did it last night when I tried it. Okay, I'm a little perturbed. This is actually from the company that I plan on buying my coils from.
Close off the end. We need to crimp it shut. Cut and crimp plastic coils. Third, with the coil in your left hand, press the red handles together.
Curve it like away from you. Bro, this crimping, okay, is it, TikTok is back in the US? Well, that didn't take very long. Or maybe I'm going crazy and maybe that's all it's supposed to do. Man, it just doesn't look like enough. Anyway, you gonna get a little look at this? See, and I don't have a whole lot of nothing to get in there. I think I get it now. What the heck? I did it. Okay, I might put my logo on the back just so I know what's the front and the back, but here she is, a little notebook. Boop. All the different sheets, and then there's the back. Yay, so now I get to make 9 more, which is a very exciting thing. So I figured it out. I figured out how to use the machine, except the coil part. That I'm not quite understanding. Good? That was good? Okay, thanks. See you later. Bye.